The industrial sector is accountable for about a third of all energy consumption globally and for a similar amount of emissions contributed globally as well. So really this is a topic that in the manufacturing sector has moved right up to the board level as well as also down to the plant floor. Now as companies are looking to become more green, and that's both across their operations all the way through their supply chains, where can they go to stay up to date in this fairly fast moving space? Now, Industrial Sustainability Day is a bi-weekly newsletter. It's been produced specifically for manufacturing companies across discrete batch and process industries, trying to understand what's happening in environmental sustainability. Now, this is developed in partnership with Omdia's leading industrial sustainability market intelligence, where we're supporting manufacturers in staying up to date with latest news and combining that with unique market insights as well to really address their sustainability questions. So whether you're looking to track latest regulations, government subsidies and investments around the world, if you're trying to understand the application of new technologies on your business, or if you're trying to see where are the next big projects taking place, we'd like to invite you to join our community at Industrial Sustainability today.